Hi and welcome to the Friendship Band Concert. मेरा नाम है अदा and मैं आज के इस बैंड को इंट्रोड्यूस करने से पहले कुछ कहना चाहूंगी। आसमां जमीन पर आया, फिर चला गया छूने आसमां की ऊंचाई। कहा चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी नहीं, इन्होंने कहा चांदी के चमची से चटनी चटाई। वो बहार यहाँ फिर से है आई। Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Asma. Jimmy Phoenix,
A for
Niti
Asma,
Mohan.
A for Ada.
Yay! Niti Mohan.
Hello!
Woohoo! Sangeet Haldipur. Woohoo! Cheers! And Vasudha Sharma. Woohoo! Woo! To Asma, and for you guys, this is my background. कैसा लगा? कैसा लगा?
इसलिए लगाया है।
आसमान
ये
में बादल
आसमान
छाए हुए हैं।
ये आपकी अदा हमें बड़ी पसंद आई।
Shukriya. I can't tell you what a pleasure this is. Lot of memories with you guys.
जवान लग रहे हैं
जवान।
सब।
हमेशा से
हमारा ये बड़ा जोक होता है। हाँ, हम सबको बड़ा जवान लगने का शौक है। चारों यही बात करते रहते हैं। क्या हम लोग 50 साल के बाद कैसे दिखेंगे? Everyone just keeps talking about this.
Wow.
But
Okay.
Ada,
हाँ.
अभी during this lockdown ना, during this lockdown, I don't know, maybe ये कायनात ने ऐसा किया है, क्या किया है, लेकिन suddenly, I mean, we've always been like a family together, but it's just that we were so busy in our lives doing our own thing. But अब इस कोरोना के टाइम में ना, we've had that extra that space in our minds, और ये suddenly सब कुछ रुक गया. So we've connected once again musically also. Now together we are discussing more music together. We are thinking about redoing our own songs. उसमें से अभी एक गाना हम लोग workout भी कर रहे हैं. So Corona has actually done a musical kind of, a revival for Asma.
क्या बात है. Vasudha, how are you feeling?
Very excited about this new. I mean, it's an old song, but it's been reworked and revisited, and it's got a new sound. Sangeet has produced it, और हम सब ने अपने घरों में ही गाया है, घरों में ही शूट किया है. So we're very excited about this because it's perfect for today's times. It's one of our songs from the first album,
Yeah.
और काफी different version है. So it's quite exciting.
क्या बात है. Okay, for अभी इस वक्त जो आपको देख रहे हैं, all your fans and everybody who always love you, कोई एक गाना आपकी तरफ से कोई गुनगुनाना चाहता है, just to set the mood or just say something, कोई दिल की बात या कुछ भी, कोई भी गाना या गुनगुनाना चाहता है.
Ada, to all your beautiful listeners and viewers, this is a song from all of us. So एक लाइन गाएंगे, कैसे करेंगे?
हाँ, एक लाइन।
Better like that, हाँ.
And we mean it when we sing this for you and for all your listeners that तुमसे ही प्यार करना है अदा. तुमसे ही प्यार करना है, तुमसे ही दिल लगाना है. तुम्हारे प्यार का ये दिल दीवाना था, दीवाना है. संगीत.
आशिकी कहती है मेरे यार, इश्क तो होता है एक बार.
आशिकी कहती है मेरे यार, इश्क तो होता है एक बार. जान हंस हंस के देते हम, तभी तो करते हैं एतबार.
ज़माने भर को जाने मन, ये अफसाना सुनाना है. तुम्हारे प्यार का ये दिल दीवाना था, दीवाना है.
तुमसे ही
प्यार करना है.
का नोट मारी दो। नहीं, हम लिरिक्स को बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, तो हमने
बहुत
इस बार
देते
कुछ
हैं
ज्यादा ही
कि
इम्पोर्टेंस दे दिया।
नो नो नो, सो एक मिनट, हम लिरिक्स को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, इसलिए वी लव प्लेइंग विद द वर्ड्स, वी लव टू चेंज देम समटाइम्स। तो कभी कभी नया मीनिंग निकल के आता है गाने का। तो यार
नीति कभी मिस नहीं
एतबार,
करती lyrics।
इकरार, इकरार,
Yeah, yeah.
एतबार,
एतबार,
ऐसा
बार
कुछ हम
बार।
करते रहते हैं, हाँ, बार बार।
Okay, I want to, of course, let's just go back to when was this? 2003, right? When Asma was formed and everything happened, and we saw all of you guys. वो एक time था, वो कह रहा था जब ना सिर्फ friendship bands on the wrist were like all important to us and very like cute, but even bands हम follow करते थे, वो ऐसा tradition होता था, like international and our own bands. How did you guys ever think कि हम एक band का इस तरह हिस्सा बनने वाले हैं, और ये सोचा था कि आसमा इस तरह से आप छूने वाले हैं in the beginning? Vasudha, you want to start?
Actually, we'd already seen, we were aware of Viva, Coqui Popstars 1.
Yeah.
So we knew what kind of talent hunt this is going to be. So थोड़ा बहुत idea था कि एक band form होगा, and this was like a mixed pop band जिसमें 2 लड़के 2 लड़कियां, but just the idea of 4 strangers coming together, preparing, making music. I mean, actually working with the cream of the industry, from the best of the music directors and the best of things out there for them, proper grooming and a lot of glamour. So that was not really पहले से idea नहीं था कि इतना कुछ इस level पे होगा. The whole idea was to just, for me personally, I would say for myself, was just to find out, or to just to explore and see where I stand. कि मतलब ये क्या है, college में पढ़ रही हूँ, and I wanted to just explore and see कि यार ठीक है, मजे के लिए करते हैं. But then one thing led to the other, and the whole magnitude of this was so big. This is what I later realized, and shifting to Mumbai and all the things that we went through, that was like a life-changing, like it was a 360-degree turn, from the life that I was living. Very amazing.
Yeah, I like how you guys have these distinct personalities. First of all, Niti, high five. मैं और आप NCC में थे in our
High five to that. Salute to that.
Squad सामने से तेज चाल.
चल, दाहिने देख।
Wow.
So from
NCC वाली
that
चीजें।
to music, सोचा था. I mean, you planned this.
Like music and I think performing arts came naturally to our house. मतलब all 4 sisters, and हम लोग को ये करने में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता था. But I never saw anyone in the family taking this as a career. तो इसलिए नहीं पता था कि career बना सकते हैं कि नहीं. But thanks to reality shows that life took a 360-degree turn, like Vasudha said, and we could move to Mumbai, try our luck, and work with amazing people, learn from them, travel with them, and all of that. So incredible, yeah. But never imagined कि ऐसे होगा. एक secret wish थी, which I never shared with anyone, not even my parents or sisters or anyone, कि ये ऐसा हो जाए अगर, if I can live as an artist, then wow, it will be such an amazing life. But I could never share that with them.
क्या बात है?
What's the point? I thought, what's the point? Because ये होगा नहीं.
But Ada, I have to say one thing about Niti, that because of her shifting to Mumbai, getting into this whole dream career of hers, opened the ways and the gates for her sisters to get encouraged and get that push to to pursue their dancing careers and to come to Bombay and get in touch with parents, and that's how they started their careers as well, following Niti.
Yeah. Jimmy, you would like to say this is what you planned for yourself, or you just
प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन पूछो ना यार, क्या ऐसे घुसा के उसी का वो घुसा रहे हो, अच्छे से पूछो.
but I want this Varnan, I want from everybody. One question Varnan from everybody.
नहीं, अदा आप ईमेल करो, जिमी को ईमेल करो अभी. क्वेश्चन अच्छे से पूछो, ऐसे उसको लग नहीं रहा था there's an interview going on.
जिमी, ये बताएं कि आपका ऑडिशन कैसा रहा? क्या आप हमेशा से चाहते थे कि आपको यही करना है?
ऑडिशन से याद आया, ये जो आपके फ्रेम में जो सबसे छोटी लड़की बैठी ना, वसुधा शर्मा,
जो इतनी छोटी नहीं.
हाँ, मेरा होम टाउन जयपुर है, एंड वसुधा इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली. सो माय ऑडिशन वाज इन दिल्ली. So auditions ऐसा एक मतलब destiny था कि in my first round they had a duet kind of a thing where random people were selected to become partners, and they had to do a duet song. And guess what? They chose Vasudha to be my partner in that first round. और वहाँ पे हमारी ऐसी बातचीत वो सब भी आ गई.
Oh God. हम लोग कोरियोग्राफी कर रहे थे, we were figuring out singing together, duet कैसे गाएंगे. It was so funny, and I was like, ये Hulk जैसा इंसान. He's like, he lifted me up at one point. I was like, what are you saying? Who's this person? And then cut to my bandmate. It was damn funny.
But I always wanted to. I mean, this still is. I'm living my dream life by God's grace, Ada, because I still think that there were thousands and thousands and thousands of singers much better than me in the queue in the entire country, but I got chosen with these amazing three people over here. So for me, it's still like a dream, that I'm living, and I always had this greatest desire. I mean, मुझे इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाने का बहुत शौक था, गाना गाने का, और स्टेज परफॉर्म का तो मेरे को सपने में, मतलब इट वाज नॉट इवन समथिंग दैट आई कुड से, मतलब सपना भी आदमी को औकात के हिसाब से आता है. सो मैं नेशनल लेवल पे रिकॉग्नाइज परफॉर्मर बनूंगा, ये तो मैं सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकता था, क्योंकि दिस वाज बियॉन्ड माय ड्रीम्स. बट नाउ आई एम एबल टू डू दैट. इट्स समथिंग लाइक it's the most fortunate thing. I'm very happy.
Yay! Happiness is transferring to all of us, and especially everyone who's watching. Sangeet, आपका तो यार मतलब amazing connection रहा ही है. You're a singer, you're a music composer. So
before Sangeet says something, Sangeet was the only person who was sure about his winning the contest.
Is that true? Sangeet, आप बताएं क्या ये सही है? जनता जानना चाहती है.
Because he was the only person जिसका reaction ना रिजल्ट मिलने के बाद पता, हम लोग पता क्या, नीति पागल, नीति कुत्तों की तरह कूद रही है, Vasudha is crying. I took off my shirt, and you know what was Sangeet's reaction when he got the news?
ये संगीत का swag है, I think. संगीत
प्लीज
बताएं.
ये सब नाचना और शर्ट निकालना मेरे से पहले ही करवा दिया था उन लोगों ने ऑडिशन के टाइम, तो बाकी कुछ रहा नहीं उस टाइम के लिए. नहीं, but honestly I had no plans of going for this also. I was already in another band. I was in an instrumental kind of band. और उसके बाद I remember I was still giving my board exams, and Anushka and Mahua had come home because they knew my brother Siddharth from Band of Boys, and they had come home, and they were I think singing or doing something on the piano, and then my brother mentioned to them that Sangeet plays the piano and sings. So they said, okay, let's hear you and all. So I played and sang to them. They said, you know what, there's something happening next month. Your board exams get over. Please go for this. So I said, okay, हाँ ठीक है. अभी उस time board exams का tension थे, इसका tension कौन लेने वाला था? But as soon as this happened, I think things started just unfolding, and I didn't know what was hitting me at that time. I was just 20. I was just getting out of college. I had made different plans of what I want to do with my music career. But yes, I wanted to be in the film industry and make music outside of the film industry as well. And when this happened, I don't know. I think my reaction with Jimmy was talking about, that's how I am in real life. I never have anything big as a reaction when you have to notice me that way. But my reaction was like, oh God, wow. And that all happened inside. It didn't come out. So yeah, I think I didn't plan for it. Like we all didn't plan for it. These things were already written. जैसे जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा, मैं वो बार-बार कहते रहता है, ये लिखा हुआ है, लिखा है.
Okay, what is that?
संगीत का, sorry, Ada, can I add something?
Yes,
to
please.
it? संगीत को हम सॉन्ग बोलते हैं, तो सॉन्ग का रिएक्शन विनिंग में तो ऐसे था, okay ऐसे, but the only time you get nice expression from him is when he sees good food. तो वो बड़ा
संगीत high five.
कुछ आता है उसका. That time you have to see him. He's so expressive. The only time he's expressive is when there's good food around him. It's smelling good, and he's.
What is your favorite thing to eat, Sangeet?
I think my stomach reacts better than my face.
He used to take us to this chaat place. याद है पंजाब जाते थे हम लोग कितना often.
Sweet House in Bandra. Oh God.
Oh my God! And then Brownie Point used to be a ritual every day.
Oh my God. Yes, Jimmy and Vasudha not so much foodies. What makes you guys expressive?
पानी पूरी बोल दिया, dude. उससे ज़्यादा क्या best हो सकता है? I'm already in the same पानी.
But we all had a patent like food that we loved. Vasudha used to love dal makhani and naan. whichever restaurant we got a chance to go and eat to, that would be a signature dish that would come up.
Oh, क्या बात है.
Jimmy was not a foodie, but he used to love eating food that I would order, and he would always make me order wherever we went. Like whether it was a hotel we were staying in, we went for a gig, anything.
Yeah.
आज क्या खाना है? तू कुछ order कर ले यार, बस मैं खा लूँगा. It was basically like that.
And whatever Sangeet ordered was the best. I mean, he knows what I used to love, and such mein, I've never ordered when he was there with me. He has always ordered for me.
Never.
Hi. Here's to friendship, yeah. Vasudha, you wanna share something? Because yeah, I liked your look. You had a sort of a fringe, nice straight hair, Aage, and then.
Yeah. I'm planning to get again.
Oh, please do it, and then share a picture, like a, like a throwback 10-year challenge. Not 10-year. That's like more than.
I mean, we did a lot of Planet M launches, where we were performing in Planet M.
Oh my God, Planet M.
Yeah, that was the time youngsters would gather and
it doesn't exist anymore.
And we'd have people around us, making sure that koi hamare paas, kids mein se koi aata nahi. It's like how you see in for these big pop stars, international pop stars, the way people are going crazy around, like the fans.
Yeah.
It was like that. And what's funny is that people are calling out your name and they're shouting Asma and this and that. So all that is fine because there'd be like a handful of people in Planet M's and we'd be signing autographs and all. It was just, I'm thinking, I think one of the members, मैंने किसी पूछा था कैसे autograph कैसे दो, ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा है कि वैसे अच्छा लग रहा है, should I put a smiley? Like all these sort of things were happening. It's so, like, we're so naive at that time. So I think the biggest, the most exciting time when I was almost numb and I couldn't exactly realize and let it sink in was the Big V concert. When we got on stage and people were roaring out loud for us. And it was, what was the audience? I think more than 40,000, right?
45,000.
Yeah, and that in Bandra Kurla complex, this huge stage setup for us. We had multiple rehearsals and rehearsals mein chalo masti ho rahi hai, dances ke. But the actual day when I got on stage with the rest of them and the people were going berserk, and the best part is that people would relate more to us because they had seen our journey.
Also, I think a lot of credit has to be given to the first song that we came out with. It was, honestly, personally, it wasn't my wish to launch that song as the first one, but when that song came out, it was very massy. Chandu Ke Chacha was a very massy song. It was very simple lyrics. You would expect everyone and anyone to know those lyrics and be able to sing it. And that's what I think at the concert, there were a lot of people who could connect to that kind of a song. And we ended up creating sort of a dream for them to aspire,
I think the whole process of just getting handpicked by the judges and also people voted for us. And that was the time when we just got cell phones in our hands. And slowly we were getting used to of using mobile phones and stuff. And as soon as we got selected, we were asked to be away from our phones for 3-4 months. And the channel wanted us to prepare and learn and record and get ready for this huge launch where we look our best and sound our best, and the whole experience was amazing. I remember 3 months when a phone touch nahi kiya tha, and there was this routine we were following, and it was just so amazing. The first time I stepped inside a recording studio, and I didn't even know recording studio mein khade kaise hote hain and kitne dur khada hona hai from the mic, and also wearing headphones, and the entire experience of recording songs and people like Jatin Lalit and Salim Suleiman and Vishal Bhardwaj. I mean, I would have never imagined कि ऐसा कुछ होगा हम चारों के साथ. हम लोग, we were just handpicked and we were nobodies. Also, I think the most precious moment for me was I used to love buying cassettes and CDs. And that was my most prized possession in life. And मुझे याद है कि अभी भी मैं खो जाती थी अगर मेरी एक कैसेट, तो I will again save money and buy. And वो कैसेट वाले भैया used to be my favorite person in life कि भैया वो कैसेट आ गई, वो मुझे आप दे देना. So the whole the whole process of keeping and storing music was my thing, and the day when our Asma album was launched, and when you see yourself, on the album cover, and you see four of us standing together, and जब आप play कर रहे हो तो आपकी आवाज उसमें से आ रही है, it was very overwhelming for me, and I still feel like it's the moment that I can't describe ever, and it's just so amazing. And after that, like Vasudha said, that the whole concert where first time audience sees you performing, and हमारी choreography, and we are singing our songs, and it is something that anybody would wish for, जिसको musician बनना है, and it happened to all four of us. It's just unreal. I still feel like it's like a dream come true.
All right, you also spoke of choreography, Neeti. तो एक काम करते हैं, चंदू के चाचा, somebody sings and we do the step, okay? बैठ के कैसे करें?
1, 2, 3, go. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी की चमची से चटनी head. Everybody used to do this step, like right from kids to my parents. I remember अभी भी उनको आते हैं choreography.
All right. Anybody can answer. All right. So are you ready for it? The friendship band test game. Who is the most talkative?
Are we supposed to say or point out? Or
मन में रखना है?
नहीं बोलना है सब. It can be unanimous. It can be
talkative. Who is the not talkative one? Is Sangeet.
Sangeet.
Yeah, I'm least talkative. Jimmy
not
is
talkative. Jimmy is most talkative.
Jimmy most talkative.
Jimmy,
hey, Jimmy, congratulations. Okay, number 2. दूसरा, सबसे ज़्यादा lazy कौन है? आलसी. Who is the most lazy one?
I'll say.
Vasudha, are you thinking of yourself?
नाम लेना ही है तो I'll say Jimmy.
यार lazy मैं हूँ. That I accept. Lazy मैं हूँ. Talkative मैं नहीं हूँ.
Okay.
वो lazy रहेगा मगर voice note बंद नहीं होता उसको. मैं क्या बोल रहा था ना उसमें.
मुझे लाइफ में मेरे को लाइफ में किसी ने 30 मिनट्स का वॉइस ओवर नहीं, ये वॉइस नोट नहीं भेजा है, उसने भेजा है.
What?
I swear, he sent me a voice note 30 minutes का. वो फोन भी इतनी देर पकड़ के कैसे रख गया उसने, वो माइक. What? That's some kind of a record. Please, let's just approach them. Yeah.
Okay. कौन हमेशा late होता है? Who's always late?
Who's always late?
Sangeet.
संगीत.
Jimmy is winning this.
वैसे आपको एक बात बताऊं, इस मीटिंग के लिए सबसे पहले यहाँ कौन आया था पता है?
संगीत. He wanted to prove a point, but otherwise हमारी meetings में वो सबसे late आता है.
Okay, who is the funniest? सबसे funny
I've changed that way. Yeah, I think Jimmy can crack you up anytime.
Yeah, he can make me laugh. मैं सबसे सड़े मूड में भी हूँ तो I think the only person who can make me laugh is Jimmy.
वो सबसे बड़ा नोट.
ये जो भोली वाली शक्ल के पीछे जाना नहीं, ये नीति जो ऐसी बैठी है ना, इतनी ऐसी सती सावित्री, ये सूट पहन के, you have to see her in her other avatar. She is the most, what do you call, मैं क्या बोलूं, मतलब you can't even imagine when she goes to that level.
You can send a 30-minute note to Ada now. You can tell her about that.
Even Sangeet, when he's in his element, वो इतने sad jokes मारता है कि you can't. It's very unexpected, and the way he cracks
पे हंसी आ जाती है. Sad jokes
संगीत का black humor होता है. हाँ.
Yeah, it's more like cynical. It's very
dark humor.
I would say, yeah.
Okay, next question.
मेरे रंग पे ऐसा कुछ.
ऐसा काहे नहीं है, please.
आए थोड़ा देर आए.
संगीत इसको भी बड़ा सीरियसली जस्टिफाई कर. Yeah, I mean सब लोग इसके pathetic jokes की तारीफ कर रहे हैं और ये बोल रहे. Yeah, I mean I do it sometimes like this.
Okay, who ditches last minute?
Sangeet.
Ditches.
Sangeet.
Me. It's possible.
Yes.
I mean, over a period I have, but I've changed. Over the last couple of years, I've properly changed.
Okay, who is a rebel?
I think for me it's Vasu. Like in a good way.
How?
Yeah.
For me it's Vasudha.
In a good way, okay, but she doesn't fight.
मतलब bad way भी क्या होता है? Rebel is a rebel. Like coming
Point
out
of view है
strongly
उनका,
and expressing, and yeah, I like the way Vasu
That way she
does
is.
every week on with new songs.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a little weird one, but who is most likely to get arrested?
Get
Get arrested.
Arrested?
can be Sangeet because you know the amount of time he flashes his dimples.
Oye, oye.
That is
It could
almost
be an
criminal.
offense.
I mean, you can't do that so much, and he
It
knows.
could be
I
an
mean,
offense.
Okay, who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moments? कुछ तो अपने दिमाग में सोच के.
हमने ने बहुत किया है वो ऐसे वाले,
बहुत बहुत
जिसमें दिखाना नहीं होता और एक दूसरे को ऐसे बहुत किया है. I think I am.
और हंसी आ जाती है.
नीति.
मैं हंस सकती हूँ रॉन्ग टाइम पे, और किसी के मुझे फनी कुछ दिख गया और मैं हंस सकती हूँ.
मैं रॉन्ग टाइम पे सो सकता हूँ.
अरे वो तो मैं भी सो सकती हूँ.
हम लोग ने हमारी
हाँ.
कोचिंग के टाइम आफ्टर अ ग्रूलिंग डे afternoon, I think 3:30 after lunch, there was a grooming session and we had
Chaya Momaya.
a specialist like Chaya Momaya who had come to us, and she started, and in I think about 10 minutes my eyes rolled back and I was out. And then I couldn't believe it, actually. I've never even done this in school, so I don't know, this is the first time I ever got like,
So Ada,
I knew there was a possibility of knocking off while
this
the session.
lady called Chaya Momaya, she is apparently one of the senior most and the best grooming experts of the country. So she's sitting right next to Sangeet on the couch, giving us the grooming tip. Guys, you have to, do this. You have to stay like this, and bilkul proper. You can't be. She's talking like that, and Sangeet beach mein.
Oh man!
Sangeet, am I expecting I have changed that line now?
I have changed.
I figured out other way to
I need to
sleep
get a
now.
T-shirt with
ऐसे
this.
ही बोरे.
हाँ, मैंने बंद नहीं किया, बस एक तरीका
Ada, one more thing.
हाँ.
You know when Neeti sleeps like that, na, she can sleep anywhere. जो उसने
I
बोला
can
बिल्कुल.
sleep anywhere. मैं तो सही बोला, I'm owning it.
You know, दुनिया की सारी मक्खियां, मच्छर, कीड़े, they can go and do
भाई मिल जाती है.
full world tour inside her. You know, she sleeps like that.
Jimmy, that's scary, Jimmy. That's really looking scary.
She sleeps.
He has a collection. Ada,
हाँ.
Jimmy के पास collection है of my photos sleeping like this on flights.
Oh, high
Flights,
five, Jimmy.
car.
I have such weird pictures of my sleeps, man. I do that. I love doing it.
He makes videos और वो करता है, उसने collection किए हैं ऐसे मेरे ऐसे.
क्या बात.
ऐसे so.
But that's a very blessed thing, यार, touchwood, because इसका मतलब ये है दिल से एकदम साफ है, बहुत नेक बंदी है और आप कोई ये नहीं है.
हाँ यार, अभी एक मुझे बताओ किसका मुंह नहीं खुलता है, सबका खुलता है. It's just I am not ashamed of showing it to the public.
You can't help it. खुल जाता है वो.
Yeah.
मुंह है खुल गया. Alright. Who is most likely to forget birthday?
कौन याद रखता है?
कौन याद रखता है वो भी है.
संगीत.
Only one person जो याद रखता है.
There are not.
Sangeet is a calendar.
Who is likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
Jimmy.
This is guy wearing a blue T-shirt. So, a very quick story. We had just formed the band, okay, and each of us was given 25,000 rupees each to finish shopping
I already like this.
for 4 months and beyond that. We went, me, Neeti, Masuda got 3-4 bags full, and ये jeans, 10 t-shirt, ये shirts. जिमी के हाथ में एक बैग है, उसमें क्या था? जूता और जीन, बस.
But ऐसा नहीं कि उसने spend नहीं किया. The entire amount was spent on only one pair of jeans and one pair of shoes. That's it.
Jimmy, you live in India. हम यहाँ पे जुगाड़ करते हैं, 10 रुपए में 9 चीजें खरीदते हैं. समझ नहीं आता तुमको?
हाँ, हम जुगाड़ू टाइप. हम लिंकिंग रोड जाते थे.
जिमी भी लिंकिंग रोड ही गया था, but he found the most expensive shop on लिंकिंग रोड.
हाँ, but he'll find, yeah.
कोई गाना जिसका आपने खुद भी कवर किया हो, आप थोड़ा सा गुनगुनाना चाहेंगे, dedicated to your fans जो आपको इस वक्त देख रहे हैं.
I think KK song यारू.
अरे मैं भी वही बोल रहा था.
दोस्ती बड़ी ही हंसी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बेगर तेरा हो या कोई तो हो राज़दार. Ta-ra-ra-ra. Beautiful song. Always apt for the times also.
फ्रेंडशिप डे आज ही है ना. मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के. मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना. याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना. गजब का है दिन सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन सोचो जरा. हम भी अकेले तुम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है अदा के साथ ये कसम से. थैंक यू.
मजा आया कसम से फ्रेंडशिप बैंक कॉन्सर्ट में आसमा के साथ.
We always love talking to each other and singing. So बहुत मजा आया. Thank you
See,
so
that's the
much.
thing about friendships, about real friendships, that you take off wherever you've left. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हम 5 साल नहीं मिले तो दोस्ती खत्म हो गई या ऐसे होता है. मतलब स्कूल के दोस्तों के साथ मिलना नहीं होता कभी कभी, बट जब भी मिलते हैं ऐसा लगता है कि उसी क्लास में बैठे उसी क्लासरूम में बैठे हैं और वही जोक्स चल रहे हैं, वही फिल्थी जोक्स चल रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक लाइक a true friendship really reflects once you know that you can take off when you want it.